Hey guys, this is Tripti Singhal from the Career Classes. In this video series, we'll learn Chapter 8 Trigonometry and start with the exercise 8.1. So, in this first question, we have given that in triangle ABC, it's a right angle triangle. We all know that trigonometry is basis on the right angle triangle only is applied on the right angle triangle. So, here from the triangle ABC, we have given that angle B is at a 90 degree. So, AB is the 24 and BC is the 7 centimeter. So, find this sine cos A at the angle A and same both the trigonometric functions sine and cos at the different angle at the angle C other than B. We all know the angle A and angle C other than angle B are the acute angles. So we can apply our sine or cosine function we can find on the both the angles. So start with this. So let's draw a small figure for considering this. So triangle ABC, we have angle B is a 90 degree and AB is given that 24 and BC is given that 7 centimeter. So first of all, we need to find for any trigonometric function the T ratio. For we need to find the all sides of the all the sides of a triangle. So here we have AB and BC, but what about the AC? So let's find out by the Pythagoras theorem. Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, we have AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square, and therefore AB square, that is 24 square, and BC square is 7 square, therefore 24 square, so it's a 576, and 7 square 49. So it goes AC square is equals to 625. Therefore AC is equals to, finally we have 5 centimeter. So let's put it down here. AC is equals to 5 centimeter. Now we find for angle A, sin A and cos A. जैसे एंगल चेंज होता है ऐसे उसकी ऑपोजिट साइड उसकी एडजेसेंट साइड भी चेंज हो जाती है. सो फॉर एंगल ए द ऑपोजिट साइड इज BC एंड फॉर एडजेसेंट साइड इज AB. So therefore sin A is equals to, all we know that oppo by hypo. So it's a opposite side for the angle A is 7 centimeter and hypo is nothing but the 5 centimeter. So it's a 7 by 5. Cos A, we need to find the other is cos A, that is also adjacent by hypo. So we need to write just adjacent by the abbreviation of adjacent and hypo. So adjacent side for angle A is a 24 by 5. The hypotenuse is 5. Okay, now sin C and cos C we need to find. So if you wish to draw the another triangle for the angle C, you can. So we draw another triangle. In that we make our reference angle as a angle C. So for angle C, the opposite sides and the adjacent sides are different from the angle A. So here we just write the values 7, 24 and 5. It is as it is, but sorry, it's a 625. It's a 25, sorry, 25. The square root of 625, it's a 25. 24, 25, the AC and BC is a 7 centimeter. So sin C, first we need to find the sin C. It is nothing but the oppo by hypo. So it's as it is here. For the angle C, the opposite side is a 24. Yes. So 24 by hypo is same. In the both the cases, if we refer to the angle A or angle C, in the both the cases, we all know that the hypotenuse is always same. So 25. So 24 by 25. Cos C is equals to adjacent by hypotenuse. So here in this cases adjacent is what? For the angle C is BC divided by AC. Therefore BC is nothing but this 7 and the hypotenuse is as it is 25. So this is all about the question 1. Question 2, we move to the question 2. Question 2 is, in the figure is given to you like this. Another right angle triangle. In the whole chapter we are dealing with the just right angle triangles. In triangles PQR, and the two sides are given, the 12 centimeter and this is a 13 centimeter. 12 centimeter and 13 centimeter, and we need to find 10p, 10 for the angle P minus cot R, minus cot R. Okay, so for that, as I told earlier, we need the length of the values of the all three sides of the right angle triangle. So 10p, if we consider this triangle and the reference angle is the angle P, so what is the 10p? Therefore, first we need to find the third side, that means the QR by the Pythagoras theorem. So let's find out. Therefore, it's a PR square is equals to PQ square plus QR square. So PR square is 13 square, that means 169, PQ square, that means 12 square, that is 144, plus QR square. Therefore, 169 minus 144, that is QR square. And therefore 169 minus 144, 9 minus 4, 5, 6 minus 4, 25 is equals to QR square. Therefore QR is equals to 5 centimeter. So here we just put it down, the value of QR side 5 centimeter. Now we can find as this 10p and cot R. First we find the 10p. 10p is equals to opposite side by the adjacent side. So 10p for the angle P, the opposite side is the QR. So write down QR, and adjacent side is the PQ. Therefore 10p is equals to 5 by 12. Same way cot R is equals to, cot R is the रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ द 10 फंक्शन. सो बट द एंगल इज चेंज. अगर यहाँ पे कॉट पी होता, 10p फाइंड करना है, कॉट पी होता तो हम इसका ही रेसिप्रोकल कर देते. बट प्लीज़ रिमेंबर दैट यहाँ पे कॉट आर फाइंड करना है, यानी कि एंगल अब हमारा रेफरेंस एंगल जो है वो चेंज हो जाएगा. If you wish to find draw another triangle, then you can, but it's not necessary. As you practice more, for angle R, what is the, first of all we write the formula for the cot function is the adjacent by the oppo. Okay, adjacent by oppo. So adjacent for the angle R is, yes, QR, and opposite side for the angle A, this is the PQ. So finally we have QR is equals to 5 and PQ is equals to 12. So we have 10p is equals to 5 by 12 and cot R is equals to also 5 by 12. But we need to find this 10p minus cot R. So therefore 10p minus cot R is equals to 10p, put the value of this, so it's a 5 by 12 minus cot R is again 5 by 12. So we have finally it's a 0. The value of this 10p minus cot R is equals to 0. Okay, moving to the next question. It is all same like the question 2 only. So question 3 is that sine A is equals to 3 by 4 sine A. Question 3. The sine A is equals to 3 by 4. So calculate the cos A and tan A. So calculate here, we need to find the cos A is equals to what and tan A is equals to what. Cos A and tan A for the question 3. Okay, here we just mention the two sides, not given exactly AB it's a 3 or a BC as a 4, nothing. But we have, so solution, we know the sine function is, the formula for the sine ratio is opposite by the hypotenuse. Okay, opposite by the hypotenuse. So if we draw the right angle, and it's given by the 3 by 4. So if we draw a right angle triangle, the reference angle at the A, if we make a reference angle at the A, angle B is a 90 degree and C. So we have the opposite side, the value is 3. So make opposite side BC as 3 and hypotenuse is given to you is as a 4. So you need to find only AB by the Pythagoras theorem. So therefore AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. Therefore 4 square 16, AB square not given to you, we need to find, and BC square is 9. So we have AB square is equals to 16 minus 9. It's a 7. So AB square is equals to 7. Therefore AB is equals to only root 7 centimeter. AB is equals to root 7 centimeter. So put down the value of AB is equals to root 7 centimeter. Now we just, both the angles are at angle A. We need to find the values for the cos A itself and tan A. So just write down the cos A formula, and tan A formula is nothing but the adjacent by hypo is equals to, from the figure we can say that for the angle A, the adjacent side is the AB and the hypotenuse is AC. So this is the AB value, root 7 by 4. And what about tan A? Tan A is equals to, we know that it's a opposite side by the adjacent side. Therefore opposite side for the angle A is BC and adjacent is AB. So what we have, BC is 3 and AB as root 7. So this is the both the values for cos A and tan A. Okay, move to the question 4. Given that here 15 cot A is equals to 8. 15 cot A is equals to 8. And now we wish to find here the sine A function. The trigonometric sine A is what? And sec A. Sec A. The other two trigonometric ratios we need to find. 15 cot A is equals to, okay. In this question we don't have the two sides, the values of the two sides particular, but we given the some equation type. Okay, so what is this? अगर कभी भी कॉट के साथ कोई एंगल है तो वो मल्टीप्लिकेशन में नहीं है, ये दोनों प्रोडक्ट में नहीं होते हैं कभी भी. दिस इज़ नॉट अ कॉट मल्टीप्लाई बाय 8. ओके, दिस इज़ नॉट द साइन मल्टीप्लाई बाय 8. सो वी कैन रिमूव दिस ए एंड अगर इज इक्वल टू के इधर साइड जाता है तो वो डिनोमिनेटर में चला जाएगा, कुछ मल्टीप्लिकेशन में है ऐसा. सो प्लीज़ डोंट डू दैट बिकॉज ये इसका एंगल है. सो इट्स नॉट द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ दिस टू फंक्शंस. यस, लेकिन जो ये 15 है कॉट के आगे, जो ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियोज़ के आगे जो वैल्यूज़ होते हैं, येस दे आर इन द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ द ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शंस विद द ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शंस. तो यहाँ पे 15 जो है वो ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक के साथ प्रोडक्ट में है. सो व्हाट वी नीड टू डू इज़ फर्स्ट, सो कॉट ए इज इक्वल्स टू 8 बाय 15. And it is as simple as that. The above question, sin A is equals to 3 by 4, and here we have cot A is equals to 8 by 15. Now yes, we need to draw a right angle triangle and make a reference angle at A. ABC, right angle triangle at B. So cot A, what the cot, the formula for the cot? Yes, it's the adjacent by the opposite side. It's a reciprocal of the tan theta, therefore it's a adjacent by oppo. So here adjacent side for the angle A is AB, so write down the 8 here, and opposite side for the angle A is the BC. So we need to find just AC for the other trigonometric ratio, sin A and sec A. Yes, by the Pythagoras theorem only we can find the AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. Therefore AC square we need to find AB square, that is 64. 15 square, that is 225. Okay, 225 plus 64, 5 plus 4, 9, 6 to 8 and 289. So its AC square is equals to 289. Therefore AC is equals to 17 centimeter. This is the square root of a 17. Therefore we need to write AC is equals to 17 centimeter. Okay, now what we want to find for the angle A only. Okay, in both the cases we find for the angle A only. So sin A is equals to opposite side by the hypotenuse. For the angle A, the opposite side is the BC and the hypotenuse is same as it is the AC. So here the value BC is a 15 and AC is a 17. Yes. Now next is sec A is equals to this is the reciprocal of the cos theta. Okay, so cos is the adjacent by the hypotenuse, so sec A is nothing but the hypo by adjacent. Hypo by adjacent. Okay, because cos is the adjacent by hypo, so sec is the reciprocal of cos, hypo by adjacent. For the angle A, hypotenuse is the AC and adjacent is AB. So finally we have the value is a 17 by AB is a 8. So sin A is equals to 15 by 17 and sec A is equals to 17 by 8. Question 5 is also like that, so you all dear students, you can solve it easily. Question 5, because in that question 5 you have given one trigonometric ratios in the form of this only, and you can find all other trigonometric functions, because we have the 6 trigonometric basic functions: sine, cos, tan, and the reciprocal of these 3 is the cosec, sec, and cot. So you just need to find the first 3 functions and then you can just reciprocal of them. So you've got your 6 basic trigonometric values. So thank you for watching this video. We meet soon in next video.